Hey, good morning. JB here. Excited you're with me. I've got a good one for you today. We're going to be talking about some notebooks when you don't have your e-devices or tablets and how you can really stay organized. As always, you know this channel is about great ideas, whether it's tech or energy. And if you don't mind hitting that like button if you like the video, subscribing and hitting the alert bell and turning on the notifications, that helps us. Okay, into the show. So what I'm doing today is I play golf a lot and I'm working to get better at my golf game. These are scorecards from golf. And basically what happens is my coach wants me to start tracking a little bit more data, fairways, and you can be tracking anything for school, anything that you need to track or something that you need to carry with you. This is where a template comes in, a daily planner. I've done a video where, as you can see, I've done a daily planner in making a permanent template into a Rocketbook. What's a Rocketbook, you may be saying? Well, if you don't know what a Rocketbook is a inexpensive temporary notebook. Instead of using paper, where you've got a notebook, you have the ability to actually use a special pen called these Frixons, right? And I'm gonna put a link in the description. You can write on them, and then you can use a wet towel, and you can wipe it off. So they're temporary notebooks that come in very different sizes and different planners. That's what the Rocketbook is, just to let you know. Here's a tiny one that you can utilize for different things, such as exactly what we're gonna do today, where I'm out on the golf course. You know, I don't really wanna get my phone out. I don't have my devices, but I wanna track specific things. So what I do, and I'm gonna show you some of the tools I use, you can use Frixon markers. These Frixon markers come in various different colors. They actually have highlighters. These are erasable ink pens that work with the Rocketbook, okay? I typically use blue, and then you have this little rag that they send with it. Now, in order to make a permanent template, what I use then is a ruler and some Sharpies, okay? And I have a blue Sharpie and a black Sharpie. So we're gonna build a 18-hole notebook that I'm gonna carry with me on the golf course and put it in my bag. And when I need to put the fairway in regulation and how many yards, I can actually do it. And then the beautiful thing about the Rocketbook, which you may know or might not know, is then what you can do is you can open up your phone, take a picture of it, and then send it into your Google Drive. And then for what I do then is move the information in a spreadsheet. So what this is good for is anytime you're kind of out and about, you can't carry any device, you don't have your phone, you need to make some notes. Well, you can do just regular notes on this. You don't even need a template. But if you need a template like this, this works fantastic. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'm gonna just draw this template for you real quick so you can see. I'll put a little music to it so you can kind of see how I do it, and I'll speed it up, and then we'll come back and talk a little bit about what I did. Okay, so as you can see, Rocketbooks are very good for very quick note taking, or if you're in school, or even if you don't want to buy a e-device, or you can't carry your laptop with you, and you need something else. And you don't want to carry a paper notebook. Paper notebooks work great still, but you want something that's quick and fast and efficient and thin, right? Then that's where the Rocketbook comes into play. I personally love these devices. I call them a device because you can actually upload it. I know they're notebooks, and they've come a long way. Rocketbook originally was a company that basically what they did is you'd write on it and then put it in the microwave, and then basically the ink would disappear. They have changed a lot, and they really have come away with a great product here. And basically what I do then is I keep my pen. I bought a pen holder on Amazon. I'll put the link below. I just keep my pen on the side here of my Rocketbook, and then when I'm out on the golf course, I use this. Now I utilize the small one sometimes. I actually bought a special leather case for this that allows me to carry it in my back pocket. If you know golfers, we typically carry yardage books with us. And so this you can fit in your back pocket. But I wanted something a little bit bigger. That's why I'm building today's template. And I thought I would give you some ideas in inexpensive ways where you can get a Rocketbook for $20, $30. Again, links are in the description. And you can actually do some note taking instead of using an e-device, which we do a lot on this channel. So hopefully that opened you up some ideas. As always, this is a labor of love. We just passed 8,000 subscribers. I'm doing videos almost every day to help you kind of open your eyes up to different ways of productivity and utilizing different tools. And I think these are great because what they can do is they're inexpensive. You can take them with you. You can get, use different colors. The one cautionary tale is avoid getting them wet, right? Because they use these Frixion markers that you can erase with water. But as long as you do that, they're great devices. They work real well and they're awesome. So again, as always, please, if you don't mind subscribing, hitting that alert bell. If you want to share this with friends, that's fantastic. We are building this channel to help you and to put some energy out there, and I appreciate you being here. All right, so until the next one, thanks for watching, and the next one will probably be tomorrow. I appreciate you being here and supporting the channel. Go have a fantastic day.